Hello, welcome to this short video on how to assemble a tool holder for our CNC machines. These CNC routers use an ISO 20 ER20 collet. So take out a tool holder, remove the collet nut on the top, and then grab an appropriately sized collet. Collets don't flex a whole lot, so if you can't really go too far up or down, only a couple thousand. So if you have a 1/4 inch tool, you really need a 1/4 inch collet. You take the collet and put it into the collet nut by rocking it in, and it should retain itself in there. What you do not want to do is take the tool holder and put the collet in it and then put the collet nut on top. This will actually cause a problem. You cannot do it that way. So take the nut, rock the collet into the nut, then put the assembly together and start tightening down a little bit. Then you grab your tool, and before you tighten too much, you place the tool into the collet, and then you snug this down by hand. Now we need to tighten the nut onto the tool holder, and to do that we really want to do it with a specific torque. You can use these kind of basic tools, a wrench that goes around the flats on the collet, and a collet nut wrench, and you can do this by hand. But to do this the proper way, you should have a torque wrench like this one that has a collet nut on one side. So when you're done with the torque wrench, you always want to return it to 0 torque. So on this wrench, you pull the end out and you twist this till it reads the appropriate torque. So for an ER20 collet, the rated torque is 45 foot-pounds. So you adjust this wrench to 45 foot-pounds. You put the tool into the holder here and slide it shut. And then you tighten this until the wrench clicks. And now you have a properly tightened collet and collet nut, and you're ready to start cutting. Thanks. See you in the next video.